Two, one. We are live.
All right, what's up?
What's up, brother? How are you, man?
I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I'm doing great, brother. No
Man,
complaints.
feels excited again.
Yes,
Huh?
back with another episode
Yep.
of Brutal
More
Shots.
exciting,
More
more
excited,
new
and we
talks.
have many topics to cover in this episode of
Right.
Brutal Shots. So, how was your last week, brother?
Last
We
week,
released our first video,
right.
and the response that we got. Would you like to talk something about it?
Absolutely, I want to talk about the response that we got. It was a very good response that we got from people. Like that was something that we didn't expect. Got a lot of appreciation and yeah, I loved the way that people reacted, and they were trying to um promote it the way that it is something that is their own. So that is
Right.
something that I really liked, and that kind of
Yeah.
support, that kind of love is something that we require to carry on.
Exactly. I think we reached about 450 views, which is like a great start
Right,
for us. Like no complaints on this
a very
things.
decent start.
And
Yep,
and for the people who did not
I
like,
know.
share and subscribe,
Right,
I know who you are, man. I am watching,
I'm
brother.
watching you.
I'll get to you.
Right,
All right, I'm just kidding.
right,
So, no, hard
right.
feelings, but it's your duty, brother. It's your
Like
duty, man.
if it
I'm watching, man.
correct, like if
I'm
someone,
watching.
right, if someone supports you, that is like a motivating factor.
Right.
Like no matter what you do, if podcast is just an example, but people tend to do different things in life. So support is something that I feel should be there. Like no matter what you do, if it's a good thing, then you should definitely support people.
Exactly, and especially when someone is starting out,
Hmm.
you obviously know that when every fresher, like if someone is doing something really
Right.
new, he might struggle with it. He won't be like perfect in the first episode,
Hmm.
but as the time passes, he will grow on his own. Like he takes things from the surroundings and try to improve his content day by day. So that should be taken into consideration, and this is something that shouldn't be told to anyone, like please share, please promote
Right.
our content. It should be done by themselves. So that's what I think. Like this is the responsibility of everyone to appreciate and promote each other.
Right.
That's how things should be. That's when we'll be having a better society.
Correct. That's how we grow eventually. I mean,
Right.
supporting each other is something that we always want, no matter what you do. So, of course,
Yeah, but anyways, like
right.
coming back to our
Of
topic,
course.
it's people and people and people and so many
Right.
people. So you can't even you can't judge people every
Of
time.
course.
So moving on to the first thing that
Mhm.
I wanted to ask you in this podcast
Yeah.
is sleeping pattern के बारे में कुछ बताए.
Sleeping pattern.
Because
Hmm.
when I was in
Right.
US, I was working with this hotel called Howard Johnson.
Right.
It's a huge chain of hotels. It's a part of Wyndham Group.
Hmm.
So during that time when I was working,
Hmm.
I was doing night
Right.
shifts, and the amount of pressure and like the seriousness of the job, and it was a very tiring job, man. It was like a job of huge
Right.
responsibility. तो वो पॉइंट पे लाइक नाइट शिफ्ट्स में काम करना इट वाज अ सीरियस थिंग
Hmm.
लाइक जब मैं नाइट शिफ्ट कंप्लीट करके वापस घर को जाता
Hmm.
था और नेक्स्ट डे जब मैं उठता था,
Hmm.
कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता था कि बिल्कुल 2 घंटे का टाइम होता था
Right.
क्योंकि नाइट शिफ्ट कंप्लीट करना था. आई वॉज एक्चुअली इंटर्निंग विद देम. आई
Right.
वॉज द ऑपरेशंस मैनेजर इंटर्न ओवर
Right.
देयर. सो जब इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीट करके मैं जाके सोता
Hmm.
था, इवन दो आई वॉज सपोज टू वर्क सर्टन आवर्स,
Right.
आई वॉज वर्किंग मोर देन दैट. सो वो करके जब मैं जाके सोता था,
Hmm.
और देन आई हैव टू गेट बैक टू कॉलेज द अदर
Right.
मॉर्निंग. सो उसके बीच में नाइट शिफ्ट कंप्लीट करके सिर्फ 2 घंटे का टाइम होता
Right.
था सो के उठने का. तो आई वॉजेंट गेटिंग एनफ स्लीप एट दैट टाइम,
Correct.
and I noticed a very major change in my behavior. Like I used to be frustrated a lot.
Hmm.
Like I wasn't at peace.
Right.
एक अलग टाइप की फीलिंग होती है
Hmm.
भाई, कि बोलते हैं ना आप आपके सेंसेस में नहीं है वो पॉइंट
Correct.
पे. और होता ये था कि मेरी जो कंसंट्रेशन पावर थी ना
हाँ.
वो सीरियसली इफेक्ट होना शुरू हो गया, लाइक आई वाजंट एबल टू कंसंट्रेट. और व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बी इन द क्लासेस, लाइक व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बी इन lectures, what I noticed was like I was just sitting and staring at the professor,
Mm-hmm.
but I wasn't able to concentrate on anything that he's teaching.
Right.
तो वो एक बहुत solid effect हुआ था. Plus the another thing that hit me like
Mm-hmm.
majorly was my eyes.
Correct.
Because होता क्या था कि जब मैं सिस्टम पे काम करना होता
Right.
था, like you have to take care of the inventories of all the guests and how they are checking in, checking out, basically operations job, man.
Correct.
You have to work on the floor and do everything that
Mm.
involves in it. So मेरे आंख बहुत डैमेज होना शुरू हो गए थे. लाइक आई यूज टू फील माई आईज वर ड्राई,
Mm-hmm.
लाइक बहुत ड्राइनेस हो जाता था
Mm-hmm.
आंखों में, और मैं कुछ भी चीज़ को देखना शुरू करा थोड़ी देर तो
Mm.
आई यूज टू गेट दैट पानी जाना शुरू हो जाता था
अच्छा.
आंखों में से. तो लाइक जब जितना भी ड्यूरेशन था, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एक और चीज़ ये हुई कि मेरा जो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम था
Mm.
उसके अंदर भी मैं सीरियस चेंजेस
Right.
ऑब्जर्व करा.
Mm.
I think you also have like more things to add on to this because you also work for night
Of course,
shifts.
of course. This thing comes like when we were studying, when we were in college. जब मैं college में पढ़ा था, when I was completing my graduation, we had like normal set of routine. जो भी है सुबह उठो, खाना खाओ and college जाओ. You have to do all the college and household works and आना रात में 9 बजे सो जाना. But
Right.
this thing, the night shift started when I joined my first company. I started working in an MNC, and jab se night shift is something that is bothering me even today.
Mm.
I haven't got habituated to this thing, but I can say one thing that I am kind of an insomniac now. जो
Yeah.
भी होता है like 2-3 घंटे से maximum नींद कभी नहीं आती. It's
Mm.
impossible to sleep for straight 6 hours. क्योंकि हो चुका ऐसा है कि कितना भी कोशिश करो आप, कितना भी ट्राई हार्ड कर लो, you cannot. I personally cannot sleep for more straightforward like 6 hours. तो आई गेस ये नाइट शिफ्ट्स में जो है आप जैसा पॉइंट आउट करे थे, आईज पे स्ट्रेन एंड हेल्थ जो भी है अपनी ख़राब होना, तो आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग द सेम थिंग. इफ़ यू कैन
Right.
लुक एट माई आईज इवन नाउ,
Yeah.
लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा आँख पेन में रहती है बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम.
Hmm.
सो
I think you even struggle with it, right?
correct. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I struggle a lot with my eyes. I mean,
Right.
most of the
That's
times,
crazy,
if
man.
बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम bright light आंखों में मारी तो I
Right.
feel like point of blindness जो आ जाता है ना for a
Yeah, I can
second.
feel you. I can feel you.
Right. So
Hmm.
it's like खतरनाक है. But at the same time, when I go and try to test my eyes at a local hospital,
Everything is
everything is
perfectly fine.
perfect.
Yes.
Like I can read, I can.
Oh, that's crazy,
Right, that's
man.
something that
Yeah.
bothers me. you know, it's like I've tested my eyes like 15 times till now,
Hmm.
but none of the times they said that I had any sort of sight problem.
Right.
So that's something that is that's there,
Serious.
right? So yep, you have discussed about United States, your
Right.
struggles.
And I also wanted to ask, like, what do you think
Hmm.
is enough sleep? Like, how many hours in a day a person should sleep on a regular
Right.
basis?
I personally feel like it again varies person to person, but I
Right.
personally, and it's like studies show, like if you aren't sleeping 6 hours a day, then you are in serious problem.
Right. But I think is like everybody has a different, as you
Right.
said, like it varies from person
Correct.
to person. Someone might just sleep for like 4 hours
Correct.
and he's fresh and he's active,
Right.
he's performing great. Then another person comes, वो 5 घंटे
Hmm.
सोता है और 5 घंटे में उसकी एक अलग ही बूस्ट रहती
Hmm.
है. देन 6 घंटे सोने वाले लोग
Correct.
आते हैं और 7 घंटे, फिर 8 घंटे. तो 8 घंटे इज फेयर अनफ. उसके आगे अगर आप जा रहे हैं तो देन यू आर अ लेजी
Right.
बम, आई शुड से. तो उससे ज़्यादा मत जाओ भाई, 8 घंटे की लिमिट में
Right.
रहो. और 8 घंटे इज मोर देन एनफ फॉर यू टू गेट
Absolutely. Absolutely.
super active and get your task done
Right.
on a day to day
For the
basis.
100%
Right.
agreed. क्योंकि 8 घंटे से ज़्यादा is like delaying things, and you aren't
Right.
that active enough to be able to part in any of the things that you do in life. चाहे आपकी
बिल्कुल.
studies हो, चाहे आपका work हो, you will not be able to concentrate. वो laziness जैसे आप कहे थे आ जा 100% आ जाती है, क्योंकि 8 hours is like the max amount of sleep that should be sleeping in a day.
bilkul. And there's another, situation where it has a terminology called sleep debt.
Sleep debt. Acha.
Yeah, when you are not
Mm,
sleeping enough, it adds up. Like अगर आपको 6 घंटे की नींद
right.
चाहिए, but because of the work that you are doing
Mm,
during that situation, अगर आप उसकी वजह से you are sleeping just for like 4 hours
right.
every day, 5 hours every day instead of 6, तो वो 1 घंटा जो बाकी है जो आपको फ्रेश करने
Mm,
वाला है वो एड अप होते रहता है, 6 मतलब 1 2 3
acha.
4 ऐसा होते होते एक बड़ा डेट बन जाता. लाइक हम तो पैसे वाले डेट की बात करते हैं लेकिन स्लीप डेट भी है.
Right.
I was watching this video of Nas Daily the other day,
Acha.
and he was like specifying on the importance of
Sleep.
sleep, like how much
Mm,
sleep you should get, and sleep debt is a serious thing,
right.
and it might cause like some serious problems in future. So
That's
you need to be careful
right.
with
That's
that.
something very
Right.
interesting that you've said. I
Yeah.
mean, sleep debt. I never knew something like that exists, but
Mm-hmm.
people tend to explain us in such a way that at times even we feel amazed. I
Right.
mean, the debt keep on increasing
Exactly. That's how it is.
like an interest on something that you've got. So yeah, that's very interesting. But our suggestion is like at least sleep 6 hours a day. If even you are
Right.
working in an MNC or trying to do any sort of stuff, take care of your health, and that is something that's most important. If you are taking
Exactly.
care of your health, then you can do anything in life. Anything. Yeah,
Exactly. I agree 100%.
correct.
And another reason which interferes your sleep is your phone.
Right.
Like when you are about to sleep,
Right.
when you grab this piece, and when you are continuously scrolling
Right.
over, then you might, you know, lose your sleep completely.
Absolutely.
Like if you are watching some interesting videos, then it sends signals to your
Right.
brain saying that, you know what, I'm awake now, let's watch this video. Because the way videos are made these
Right.
days, like the how reality is put into it,
Correct.
वो ब्रेन को एक सिग्नल मिलता है कि चलो भाई अब एक्टिव हो गया अपन और वीडियोस देखो, नेक्स्ट
Right.
नेक्स्ट
Right.
नेक्स्ट, वो डोपामाइन जो रिलीज
Hmm.
होते रहती है वो डोपामाइन का
Right.
डोज, तो वो बस चलते
Correct.
रहता और उससे देन अगेन फिर आपकी स्लीप को बहुत सीरियसली
Hmm.
बोलते हैं
Hmm.
ना कि एक सीरियस इंटरफियरेंस
Right.
मिल जाता और वहाँ से आपका स्लीपिंग पैटर्न बिगड़ना शुरू होता. तो एक छोटा सा एडवाइस कि टेक केयर ऑफ योर फोन, जस्ट कीप इट अवे व्हाइल यू आर
Right.
स्लीपिंग.
Because in today's generation, we see that phone is something that without phone, no one is surviving today. जो
राइट.
भी है phone पे है हर चीज़ and I feel like they use it like they use it more than it requires. Like जितनी भी
राइट, इट्स
ज़रूरत है
क्रेजी
हाँ
लाइक हाउ वी आर डिपेंडेंट, वी आर सो डिपेंडेंट
correct.
ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम्स कि मतलब हम 5 मिनट भी अपने
Hmm.
फ़ोन के बगैर नहीं रह सकते. हमारे मैप्स,
Right.
हमारा राउट जो जा रहे हैं हम,
Exactly.
जो फॉलो कर रहे हैं वो फ़ोन पे बेस्ड
Right.
है. और हमारा आना जाना, और आज तो ऐसा हो गया कि हम कॉन्टैक्ट्स भी याद नहीं रखते
Absolutely.
क्योंकि फ़ोन में फीड
Hmm.
होता है. तो फ़ोन पे इतनी डिपेंडेंसी हो गई कि मतलब अगर ये फ़ोन बंद हो गया
Correct.
तो यू फील दैट यू हैव ब्लैक्ड आउट, आपके पास कुछ है ही नहीं उसके बाद लाइफ में.
At times even I feel that, but some things should be जैसा होता था ना कि you know in olden days we used to our memory used to so good
राइट.
that we used to remember the contact numbers of people who we meet. Like
People,
so
we used to maintain that small
right,
diaries and
like
write the numbers of
right,
friends
correct.
and
I
all.
remember that
Yeah.
I used to you know memorize all the contact numbers of all the family members that I have. I
Right,
used
right,
to
right.
like it was like fluent on my tongue, but nowadays phone has made us so lazy that we aren't even concentrating on that thing. Like
It's
if you
insane,
have to
man.
read book, you aren't even purchasing a book. You know,
Right.
if you're reading a book on, I mean, I read books on my Kindle on my
Yeah,
phone,
yeah,
but
yeah.
you know that feel that we have read a book, like you have read a 50 pages of a book today, you have read like 100 pages. That feel
Yeah,
is
that
something that
that's
is
a
missing.
satisfaction that you get
Absolutely
whenever you are reading from a manual book, like holding
correct.
it in your hands and you are turning pages
Right.
like one by one, one
Even
by
you
one.
might agree that
That gives you satisfaction instead of like just reading books on
right.
Kindle and you are just scrolling over, and but
Correct.
it's not a practical feeling. वो मजा नहीं
Absolutely,
आता उसके अंदर.
100% agree.
Right.
Even you agree with me. Like when we used to go and purchase books, kind of smell that it has, and the way we were excited for purchasing a book and all
Right.
when we were like a child. So that's something that we miss, man. Really, in today's world.
Yeah.
So
And another thing I want to bring up when we are talking about phones is like this is a serious concern of
right.
privacy. Like having your phone and knowing that your phone is hearing everything you say.
Hmm.
That is scary.
Absolutely.
That is the
Right.
scariest part because होता क्या है भाई कि जो एप्स आ गए
Hmm.
आजकल जैसा कि
Correct.
टिकटॉक हो गया और इवन गूगल इज लिसनिंग टू यू 24/7. What do you want to say about it? Like, what do you have to
I
say?
have a funny incident. You know Alexa, right?
Right.
So,
Oh
do you
man, yeah, I
remember
remember
what I
that.
want
Yeah,
to
but
share with
we
the
should we
people?
should share. Yeah,
So, what
we should share
happened is
that.
once I had a conversation with a customer.
But I came up with a clarification, which I'll give you at the end of
Right,
the session. I mean, when we finish this
right.
topic.
So, what
So
happened
go
is
on, go on, go on. Yeah.
this woman had an Alexa. It was an inbuilt device. So, um, it was playing music. Like if you give commands to Alexa, she'll do things for how Alexa works, right? If you
Yeah,
give
yeah, yeah.
command and do that.
Right,
So I
right.
guess there was a command in Alexa. If you say self-destruct, it will say ha 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 die, and it's just
Was that like really programmed into Alexa, or that was something which happened like
right.
unusual?
It's something that even I felt like quite unusual. I thought some kind of paranormal activity was having happening there.
No, but you were working with
Right. I
Amazon,
was
right?
working with
Did
Amazon.
you ever come to a phase when they like said that when you say that destroy yourself,
I
Alexa will?
haven't came across, but my lead said that there was such a command.
Oh, okay,
Right,
that
that
existed.
existed,
All
but
right,
I'm
all
not
right.
sure about. Like, it has so many commands, so
Uh huh.
we're not sure how many commands that are there in Alexa.
Right, right,
But it
right.
was a very funny incident. So,
Mm-hmm.
it was like a device called Fire TV Cube, and it
Yeah.
controls everything basically. Your TV, your sound system, your AR, your PlayStation, your Xbox. It controls everything. So, what happened is, she was listening to music, and her kids were playing. So she said like, Alexa, stop the music. She said once, and she said that again, but the music was continuing, and she
Mm-hmm.
said thrice,